up, everybody? This is again MC right to our channel or Showtime with MC. And in today's video, I will teach you how to promote your videos if you are a beginner YouTuber as well as you may be a successful YouTuber. So you will need these tips. Well, these are not actually tips, but still, you will need these tips. Let's promote your videos!
So, how do you actually do this? Well, for example, I will take my next video, which will be uploaded on Sunday. This is why I'm changing my YouTube schedule. It is the video is about it. So, what I'm gonna do is that you need to make transitions from one place to another. Here I'm talking about one thing. Like here's the introduction and one thing about my
channel, of course.
And if you're new
to my channel, please subscribe down below, like this video, and we're basically starting right now.
Actually, this is not Here I have the next background, so you see I changed the background and I also made the transition. So here comes the transition. You can access transitions in the iMovie right here, so there are several transitions that you may like. Then I go to the next video, and one of the most important things what you have to take into consideration when you are filming or making the YouTube video is that you have to support what you're saying with the things for example Saturday and
Sunday, so like I had to upload a video. Thursday was so
yeah, and then when I'm moving here, I still have another background. I'm talking really a lot. I know. Thank you guys. So yeah, and now how do you upload this videos actually? So I've already scheduled this video. If you do not know how to schedule the video, you can simply write down in the comment section if you do not know that, and I will include this as my next video. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is that, as you can see in this video, I have a lot of things. For example,
you can just want more YouTube tips, or if you're a beginner YouTuber, you want more YouTube tips for your YouTube channel, I will include the link for the good YouTube advice video right here. So you can just go here and share that.
But as you can see, here is nothing. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna add that thing right here. And how you do this? You press the cards, and you are basically here. And
what is up, everybody?
This is again.
You are moving along your video, and if you make anything like that.
It's scary to believe.
Yeah,
First video I'm making about this. Topics of if you're already interested in the previous video about the same topic, I'll include this right.
So here you go. So you will just simply take this place and top add card, and then video playlist, and you can take one of your videos. So in this case, I will take changes to my YouTube schedule. And by the way, this is the giveaway video as well, but still, so, and you can edit the card, but I don't want to edit it.
It's right here.
So like this, you see? And you can see this video right here is there. And the next time I'm actually doing this thing is, I think in the end. So, yeah, here it is.
Video right here.
Right here. Okay, so right here, I guess. No?
Right here.
Okay, here we go. Okay, I guess it is right. And I'm talking about the YouTube thingy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the YouTube tips. So here you go. How to gain subscribers. By the way, that's a good video. So if you wanna watch the video, you can do this. Yeah, and all changes saved so that your changes that you've done in your video are saved. So you can just simply get out of there, and all this will be just saved. Okay, so you have the cards right here. What is up, everybody?
What is up, everybody? This is
saved. And now the next thing what I'm gonna talk about is an end screen. So end screen is the thing that you may include your videos into your videos. And this is not how you do it. Yeah, but there is an easier way to actually add an end screen. You go to editor and then you press this add an end screen. Apply a template and you can choose various of templates. So I will use this one, because I think it best fits what I'm talking. Yeah, and choose the specific video. You can choose a specific video. For example, I will choose the YouTube Studio tutorial, and I will choose something related to the YouTube. So for example, I will choose how to edit videos with iMovie, what you may be interested in as well. And you can actually do
here and
Go here and
good
YouTube.
go here and
Go here and
check out.
check out. So we are basically all.
So I did this thing. So I want my things to be quite like when I'm saying all. So really, you're gonna just simply customize this thing.
Are basically
all. So
Yeah, and they will be right like this. Okay.
are basically
all.
Okay,
So-
I think
so-
that's not bad, but I wanna make that go like this. So
are basically
all.
So thanks for
I love this thing. So save, because you want your changes that you made to be saved. As you save your changes that you've already done, then the next thing what I want to talk about is that you need to have a good thumbnail, because the thumbnail is as well one of the most important things that people watch your content for. So for example, if you have a thumbnail like this, no one is going to actually watch your video, because they see only the head and nothing else. So that's kind of not a really cool thing to do. So what I'm gonna do is that this is an allowed thing, that you're gonna go to google.com. You're gonna type the topic which you're making about. So iPhone 11 Pro unboxing. And type it right there, and then you're gonna choose the thumbnail which you like the most. So in this case, I will choose this one because this is the most related to my video. And then I go here, and I'll just simply put it right here. So I think that this is quite better than my hand. Okay. Now the next thing what you're gonna do is the tags, because this is, yeah, you guessed right, this is one of the most important things while editing and making your video, because this is for what you are actually appearing on people's pages. So what you're gonna do is that if you don't have ideas for your tags, but you will just simply type your channel name, Showtime, in this case Showtime MZ, then show, then time, then with, then MZ, then interesting, and that sort of stuff. And yeah, like cool, amazing, 4K, new, yeah, that sort of stuff. And then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go to the YouTube and search that exact video that you are actually making about. So iPhone 11 Pro unboxing. So right here it is. And
Every single year?
Every
this one
single year?
appears first. So it means that this guy has a lot of good. This guy has a lot of good tags. So you're gonna just simply copy the link and you're gonna go to Google again, and then you're gonna go to tag generator, and you're gonna choose this one, YouTube tag generator, and extract the tags from YouTube videos. Then you will type this right here, and like, you'll accept that you are not a robot. Oops. Oh. And you will just simply copy the tags, and then you're gonna paste them. So once you have pasted, make sure that there are no channel names such as this or this, because you're not going to really like that. And then press save, and this is really interesting things. And the last thing what I want to talk about is your description, what is quite interesting. You may include many links in your description. So for example, you're talking about some videos. So as I talked about the video about my YouTube schedule changes, so I will just simply write like this: check my previous video about the same topic, and I will just simply go here, and I'm gonna just go to my channel, Showtime with MC, and here my channel is 844. Be the next one to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and now I'm gonna find the video that I wanna include the link for. And so I will not include link for this video, for example. So Command C, Command V, boom. So that if someone goes to your description, you will see, oh, that's kind of interesting video, maybe. So let's click the link. Then comes the next video. If you wanna some YouTube tips and tricks, check it out, and check it out here. Specific. And then I'm gonna just simply take a video, for example, not the YouTube Studio tutorial, but I'm gonna go to my videos. And I'm gonna go to here, how to get more subscribers, views, and be successful YouTuber in 2020. That's kind of good. Command C, Command V, and save. So your video is going to be really successful if you follow these tips and tricks. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see more. Like, comment, and you may also be interested in this videos. So watch them as well, and bye.